Class 9 in English. Autumn. AUTUMN. Lesson 3. Autumn is a lesson of textbook Village approved by West Bengal Board of Secondary Education for the students of class 9. Here all the activity questions are done by English teachers. Pick the correct answer from the given alternatives. All through the day the fitful ghost shakes the casement. The poet loves to see the shaking twig dance till the shirt of Effie. The sparrow sat on the cottage ridge. The pigeons nestled round the coat. The cock was crowing upon the dunghill. The galloping pigs dive and swim. What happens to the leaves of the moji elm tree in autumn? The leaves fall onto ground and a fitful gust takes them away down the lane. What are the things the poet loves to see on November days? Poet loves to see the fitful gust, the shaking twig, and the cottage smoke. Exercise 3. State whether the following sentences are in active or passive voice. Anil will visit his grandmother's house. Active. The president has left his office. Active. The project will have been finished by the students. Passive. Change the voice of the following sentences. The boy has read out the letter. The letter has been read out by the boy. I shall have bought a cricket bat by tomorrow. A cricket ball will have been bought by me tomorrow. Sohini's friends had organized a picnic. A picnic had been organized by Sohini's friends. The football team will put up a brave fight. A brave fight will be put up by the football team. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. I said to him, will you share your tiffin with me? I asked him if he would share his tiffin with me. Anjana's mother said your father has left for Mumbai. Anjana's mother said that his father had left for Mumbai. The girls triumphantly said, we have won the match. The girls exclaimed with happiness that they had